wouldn't dare!
Persistent pests.
You're challenging the Short Fuse crew?
Short Fuse crew? You're just a bunch of clowns!
Shut your...
Now's the time!
Boss.
Hand over Scintilla, and we might still negotiate.
Carlo finally got the Inferno Bunny up and running. The day the Short Fuse crew rises again will mark your downfall!
Nikki, watch out! Careful!
With the fireworks night hide on the sidelines? Nikki, Momo, are you alright?
We're fine.
What happened, Marquez? You look really cool. You're like a totally different person. So handsome!
It's nothing, really. I just thought I should help you and protect everyone. Thank you for giving me the Valor firework. When I held it, I realized it wasn't the bottleneck holding me back. The bottleneck was me. I don't want to wander in circles and wait for others to help me anymore. I want to become the true fireworks knight.
That's amazing!
I knew it! I knew it! I was right to pick the brave fireworks knight. I knew he'd don a knight's cape and come rescue me in a hot air balloon one day. I guessed the beginning correct.
I was just there with the finishing touch. Compared to Nikki, I'm still unremarkable. Scintilla, can you spare a moment?
Huh? Momo and I will head back and tell everyone the good news then.
Miss Vita must be worried sick. Let's take the ice sparkle back to... I saw every...
It was a group effort.
That's great. Wow.
My parents and grandparents used to say, I wish I could see it now. Mr. Minogue.
And that's how it went down. Mr. Minogue, the short fuse crew needs to be helped.
Joya is already leading a team to where they crashed. I also informed Captain Haya. I'm certain they'll be apprehended in no time.
Hey, Nikki, Momo!
Nikki, you've been a great help to the Firework Isles. Just hearing Opera describe it all had my heart racing. I'm so glad you're both safe.
The short fuse crew wouldn't have hurt Nikki in 1,000 years.
Also, Marquez Jr. was very brave to protect us and save Scintilla.
I was terrified watching him rush to Fireworks Peak and charge at the short fuse crew in a hot air balloon. I was worried he might get hurt, but I was also glad he found his old courageous self. Oh, Wishing One, I'm so glad that you all wound up okay in the end.
Despite how much has happened, the Carnival of Fireworks still went off without a hitch. It's all thanks to your help, Nikki. No wonder Miss Grace appointed you a special liaison. You've got courage, wisdom, and sharp instincts.
So long as everyone can enjoy the event, our efforts will be worth it. When we return the ice sparkle to Miss Vida, she promised the fireworks show on opening day would be the greatest in all of Mirrorland.
Wow, the greatest fireworks show. I'm looking forward to that. Nikki, Momo, let's go see it together. And Marquez Jr. too.
Sure, yes.
Well then, Nikki and Momo, I'd like to officially and cordially invite you to the fireworks crossing on the night of the Carnival of Fireworks opening ceremony. Nikki, Momo, here's a little gift for you.
Is this a script about us?
Yes, I based it on my experiences of this adventure.
Wow, what a meaningful gift. Are you sure I can have it?
Of course. You're the best part of it. You see, when I wrote the Fireworks Night script, I wanted to help Marquez Jr. get over his worries. It was you who helped him conquer his fears and find his old courageous self. Thank you very much.
I'll definitely treasure this precious gift.
Nikki, I finally found you!
Is it another emergency?
Did the short fuse crew...
Don't worry, they've been apprehended by the steadfast Captain Haya.
That's great.
I just want to say thank you. If it weren't for you, we wouldn't have seen these beautiful fireworks and the smiles of so many tourists.
We're also very glad that the Carnival of Fireworks was a success.
Nikki, don't forget to tell Mayor Grace that we've completed the task she gave us.
No need to leave in such a hurry. Tonight's fireworks show is the highlight of the opening ceremony. You won't see fireworks this glamorous ever again.
Then Momo and I will hang around for a while.
I hope you enjoy the fireworks. May the fireworks sprite be with you.
Mayor Grace, the firework aisle special liaison missions are all complete.
Welcome back, Nikki, Momo. You deserve a lot of credit for the successful opening of the Carnival of Fireworks. Great job.
We've had a lot of new experiences. We rode in a style-shaped balloon through fireworks in the sky. It felt like we could touch them just by reaching out. The scenery on the aisles was beautiful too. It was so relaxing to stand in the breeze and watch over the aisles at Fireworks Peak.
Relaxing? Captain Haya told me you had a fierce confrontation with the short fuse crew.
Captain Haya's back? Then the short fuse crew must have been apprehended already.
That's right. Captain Haya interrogated them herself. They confessed to everything. If it weren't for you, many more might have fallen for their scams. You did well, Nikki and Momo.
The pleasure's ours.
It was a lot of responsibility to help with the Firework Isles event, but we formed a bond with the people there because of it. Fixing hot air balloons with Mr. Poloni, helping Miss Vita with the icy firework, listening to Mr. Monog's stories about the fireworks sprite.
Nikki, you could have left out that last part.
Most importantly, we became companions of the fireworks night and went on a great adventure against the dark together.
It was like living in a fairy tale.
It took months for Miss Vita to perfect the low-heat firework, and it took over a decade for Marquez Jr. to find his old self. That said, it might take us even longer to find the miracle outfits. Maybe one day, we'll look up to find we've already collected them all. Or maybe the door to success will remain tightly shut, even after we've been to every corner of Mirrorland. But I believe that we, as well as these people, will all become better versions of ourselves by then.
I'll definitely be braver, smarter, and even cooler when that time comes.
Going to new places does bring new perspectives. You should go to the Firework Isles when you have the time, Mayor Grace.
Thank you for the proposal, Nikki. I'll consider it. I was a bit worried I might have put too much pressure on you by asking for your help with the Carnival of Fireworks, but it appears my concerns were unnecessary. You can return to the Isles and explore a bit more if you want to.
I can't get enough of the scenery on the Firework Isles. There are so many great photo spots there. Nikki, we should go back there when we have the time.
Okay, then I'll bring some nice outfits.
Have a great time.